Hey everybody, welcome to Young Adult Literature for the fall semester. This is Dr. Lassane. Excuse the scratchy little throat. There's a whole lot of stuff in the air today that doesn't like me very much. But I wanted to take just a couple of minutes to welcome you to the course and to give you a glimpse of your Blackboard for the course. And if we have time, we'll also go and visit live binders as well. Blackboard, you should be kind of familiar with how it works, unless this is your very first class. If it is, you've got all the different kinds of information that you need over here in terms of where the syllabus is and the different assignments that you've been given. It's all over here. So we start here with syllabus and due dates, and when you click on that, you'll see you've got two choices here. There's syllabus. It will open up, and that's the syllabus for the course. And then the due dates for the course, also listed here and adjusted for the fall. So all you have to do is take a look at that and you know exactly where it is that you're going to be going. Also, as part of course information, you've got Virtual Office, which is a place where you can leave me a message. It, from my perspective, is much easier if you call my office. That phone is forwarded to me at home, or if you shoot me an email. I think those things tend to come faster, but that's just me. You use what you feel really familiar with. By the way, you're not going to see quite what this is because you're going to not see the edited version. So let me click here. Yeah, so you can see what it looks like as a student. I don't want to confuse you. The next part is course content. These are the modules for the course. Slowly but surely. These are all the assignments that are going to be due over the course of this semester. They're each separated out as separate kind of modules with information that you need in order to do the assignment. So when you're ready to do the first assignment, you click on the module for reading autobiography. It will give you the information about doing your reading autobiography, and then when you're finished, you have a place to submit it. And that is the same for all of the modules here. And there'll be lots more information given to you in the syllabus and at live binders as well. You also have a link to live binders, so you can go there and see what is available to you. Before Blackboard opens, or if Blackboard's having a little hissy fit, you can click on that, and then you can go to the live binders link. So it will ask for your password or your key, which I've emailed to you. So here you can see that it's pretty much a replication of everything you saw at Blackboard, but it's laid out just a little bit differently. And one of the things that's here that's nowhere else at Blackboard are the screencasts for all the assignments. You've got a screencast that will explain how to write the reading autobiography. You'll have a screencast for how to do the different kinds of assignments and activities. It will give you all of that information in a live screencast with me. So once you get into the course, once you kind of see what it is that you have to do for the course, come here to live binders and view the screencasts. I think once you do, you'll have a thorough understanding of what's expected of you for the course. So welcome to the class, and I hope that you enjoy the course over this semester. Excuse me. And if I can be of any help to you, please let me know.